and is mostly important, especially for married couples. Do this with your spouse. Like, it will open up new worlds that, for us it has, and we can only speak to our own experience. So we only hope to inspire you and maybe give some confidence to boldly go before the throne, as well as in the earthly realm and the heavenly realm. And I know that I have not always had that confidence, and thank God he brought me my Lord King husband, Russell Connell. He's done so much to make all this possible. So I do hope it inspires you. If it does, you guys hit that like, share, subscribe. It's free to do it. So let's take this journey together. Please leave any and all feedback in the comment section. And yes, I do my very best to stay on top of that, as well as my husband. I will make a statement that normally I do not engage in private conversation with males, people of the opposite gender, and simply